Imagine that you don't have any trees in this world, so it's completely blank. What would life feel like? Today, we are going to see Chapter 2.3 Small Actions Count. All the animals were worried. They gathered together in the jungle. There were Minku the monkey, Bambi the deer, Bunny the rabbit, Karu the bear, and Sheru the tiger. So all these animals gathered, they all were worried. The animals were gathered together. Minku said, "Oh no, friends, people are cutting down so many trees. Where will we live now? I am worried." Bambi said, "I'll eat grass and tender leaves. How will I get my food then?" So Minku observed that everyone was cutting down trees, so they did not have place to live. An entire forest area was cut down. They had no place to live at all, and they all were worried about their shelter. सो यहाँ पे सारे एनिमल्स एक साथ आए. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे एनिमल्स थे जैसे कि रैबिट, मंकी, डियर, बेयर एंड टाइगर. और वो सारे टेंशन में थे. वो एक साथ इसके लिए आए क्योंकि उन्हें पता था कि सब ट्रीज कट कर रहे थे, झाड़ कट कर रहे थे, तो उनके पास रहने के लिए जगह नहीं था, खाने के लिए लीव्स नहीं था, इसके लिए वो सब एक साथ आए थे. Bunny said, "My friends and I enjoy playing on the grass. Where will we hop around?" Karu said, "Is this true? No fruits and honey for me? No way." So then that time Bunny said, rabbit जो होता है वो hop करता है, right? So वो बोलता है कि hop करना उसे पसंद था friends के साथ. He used to like to hop and play on the grass. So he was worried. Now if there are no grass, no trees, where will he hop and enjoy? And Karu the bear, he was worried because he used to always have fruits from the tree, honey which was built on the tree, but there was nothing left for him. So he was very much stressed about it. Sheru said, "Hey friends, that's alarming." Minku said, "Sheru, how can we stop them from cutting down the trees?" So Sheru, he thought that this is alarming. Alarming means ये एक चीज है हमें अभी जागरूक कर रही है कि हमें अभी उनको रोकना चाहिए. So हम उनको कैसे रोकेंगे? How are we going to stop them? Sheru replied, "Something should be done, but what?" Bunny said, "We will oppose." Minku said, "We can inform the forest officer." So they all went to the forest officer. Forest officer is a person who takes care of the forest area or the forest department, the entire jungle, some sanctuaries. So these all animals decided to go to the forest officer to tell the officer to stop cutting down the trees. Karu said, "We can contact newspaper reporters." Bambi said, "We can make people aware of this crisis." Sheru said, "We can raise the children to help us too." Finally, all the animals said together, "We should save our forest." So सारे animals ने एक एक चीज बोला. जैसे करू ने बोला कि हम न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्टर के पास भी जा सकते हैं हमारी कंप्लेन करने. Bambi said कि we can even make people aware. जैसे हम आज aware हो रहे हैं कि there are many trees which are cut down. And then we tell others also that you all plant trees, grow more trees and save forest. So moral of the story, every small action can make a big difference. Let's protect trees and save our forest. So they together built this forest, they saved this forest, and they made sure that every action they took, small, small action, which saved trees and save life. Dictation words: jungle, forest, monkey, rabbit, tiger, and officer. Students, write these dictation words in your book for you to practice it thoroughly. Meanings: jungle, a large forest; tender, soft and young; oppose, to stop or disagree with something; Crisis, a difficult situation. Aware, to know or understand something. Who said the following? I eat grass and tender leaves. Bambi. We will oppose. Bunny. We can inform the forest officer. Minku. We can ask the children to help us too. Arrange the following words to form meaningful sentences. Let's save the trees. Rabbits like to hop. The sun shines in the sky. Choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. I like my school. My cat is blind in one eye. I ate my breakfast. I have 8 pencils. We see with our eyes. Boat sails on the sea. Why were the animals worried? The animals were worried because people were cutting down trees. Who suggested informing the forest officer? Minku suggested informing the forest officer. What did Karu suggest? Karu suggested contacting newspaper reporters. What should we do to save forest? We should plant more trees and protect our forest. I hope students you have understood this particular chapter about how we can save our forest. Can you put down in the comments what are the different steps you take to save our environment, save our trees, save our forest? Thanks for watching.